ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, welcome to our school online classes. Now last example problem. If the points A 6, 1, B 8, 2, C 9, 4 and D P, 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram. These four are the vertices of a parallelogram. Then find the value of P. Here vertices of a parallelogram is given. We have to find the value of P. Vertices of a parallelogram. How many vertices? 4 vertices is given. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Vertices A vertices is given, B vertices is given, C and D. Then we have to find the value of P. Vertices of A. Coordinates of A are 6, 1. B vertices 8, 2. C vertices 9, 4. D vertices P, 3. Then find the value of P. We have to find the value of P. Okay. Now ABCD is a parallelogram. Then AC is diagonal of a parallelogram. Then AC becomes diagonal of a parallelogram. Then DB also diagonal of a parallelogram. Both the diagonal will intersect at one point. That point is considered as O. Both the diagonal will intersect at one common point. For both the diagonals, O is one point. AC is the diagonal, O is the midpoint. And DB is the diagonal, O is the midpoint. For both the diagonals, O is the midpoint. Both diagonals will intersect at one point. That point is O. And O is considered as the position of O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of DB. O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of DB. But we have to find the value of P. If O is the midpoint, means how we can represent here midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC is how much here? O equal to midpoint of DB. For both the diagonals, O is the midpoint. Therefore, O equal to what? O. Because AC midpoint is O, DB midpoint is O. O equal to O. For this reason, we have to represent like this. The midpoint of AC equal to what? Midpoint of DB. Midpoint of AC equal to what? Midpoint of DB. Our final intention is like this. We have to find the value of P. With the help of which formula? Midpoint is given. It means in section formula we have to apply which formula? Midpoint formula. Because in midpoint, if the line segment, one point will divide. Now AC is the line segment, O will divide AC line segment. If the position of O is midpoint, means O will divide line segment AC in what ratio? 1:1. If O is midpoint, means O will divide AC line segment in 1:1 because equal part. Midpoint means it will divide in equal part. Equal part means 1:1. If it is 2 means it is 2 unit means 2 1 that 2 1 that. If it is 5 means it is 5 means 5 1 that. Therefore, always midpoint will divide line segment in what ratio? 1:1. If 1:1 means M1 value is 1, M2 value is 1. For this reason, we have to apply which formula? Midpoint formula. Midpoint of AC is of how much? So midpoint of AC is O and midpoint of DB is also O. Therefore, O equal to O. Therefore, we have to apply which formula? Midpoint formula. X2 plus X1 divided by 2 and Y2 plus Y1 divided by 2 equal to what? Now this one midpoint formula belongs to AC. Then another midpoint formula belongs to what? DB. Hence again same X2 plus X1 divided by 2, Y2 plus Y1 divided by 2. Okay. AC means if AC is the line segment means it is X1 Y1, it is X2 Y2. Then what is the value of X2 here? X2 value is 9 plus X1 value is 6 divided by 2. Then what is the value of Y2? y2 value is 4, y2 value is 4, plus what is the value of y1? 1 divided by 2. Okay, now for db, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. If you are considering dd means it is x1 y1 x2 y1. Okay, then what is the value of x1 here? x2 plus x1, x2 value is 8 plus x1 value is p divided by 3. Then what is the value of y2? y2 value is 2 plus y3 value, y1 value is 3 divided by 2. Then 9 plus 6 is how much? 9 plus 6, 15 divided by 2, 15 divided by 2. Then 4 plus 1 is how much? 5, 5 divided by 2 is equal to 8 plus p, 8 plus p only, 8 plus p divided by 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is how much? 5 by 2. It means this coordinate is equal to this one. If 5 by 2 equal to what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 2 means then 15 by 2 equal to what? 8 plus p by 3. Therefore 15 by 2 equal to what? 8 plus p by 3, because we have to find the value of p. Therefore 8 plus p divided by 2 is equal to how much? 15 by 2. These two get cancelled. Then plus 8 goes to minus 8. Therefore p is equal to 15 minus 8. Therefore 15 minus 8 is how much? 7. Therefore what is the value of p? 7. What is substitute value? Then cross multiplication here. A p value is how much? 7. 8 plus 7 is how much? 15 by 2. 15 by 2 equal to what? 15 by 2. 5 by 2 equal to what? 5 by 2. P is equal to plus 1 plus 1, 2. Okay? 15 by 2 equal to what? 15 by 2, because p value is 7. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 equal to 15 by 2. Then 5 by 2 equal to what? 5 by 2. Therefore p value is how much? 7. Then the coordinates of the vertex 1, 8, 2, 9, 4 and 7, 3. 7, 3. Okay? Then next exercise, first problem. Exercise first problem. It is example, last example problem. To exercise first problem. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of, keep in your mind. Find the ratio means we have to find m1 and m2. Find the ratio means we have to find the value of m1 and m2. Here find the coordinates means x comma y. We have to find the value of x and y. Find the coordinates of the point. It means that point which divides. It means that point will divide. We have to find the coordinates that point will divide line segment. That point will divide line segment joining minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2 raised to 3. In the ratio 2 raised to 3. One point is there. That point will divide a line segment. The coordinates of the both line segment minus 1 comma 7, 4 comma minus 3 in ratio 2 raised to 3. Then find the coordinates of that point. Okay, but how is the representation? How we can represent the situation? First, we should represent the situation. Okay, one line segment is there. One line segment is there. x2, y2. Then what is the value of m1? Always m1. First ratio is m1. Second one is m2. m1 value is 2. m2 value is 3. Then we have to find the value of what? X comma y. 2 raised to 3 means it is midpoint. It is not a midpoint. If you divide 1 raised to 1 means it is a midpoint. Okay. Then the coordinates of px comma y is equal to section formula m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Then p coordinates x comma y as it is. Then what is the value of m1? m1 value is, what is the value of m1? m1 value is 2. What is the value of x2? x2 value is 4 plus m2 value is how much? 3. x1 value is how much? Minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 value is 2, m2 value is 3. 2 plus 3. Then what is the value of m1? M1 value is 2. What is the value of y2? Y2 value is -3. Plus what is the value of m2? M2 value is 3. What is the value of y1? Y1 value is 7 divided by m1 plus m2. M1 value is 2 plus 3. Then p x comma the p coordinates x comma y is equal to plus into plus 2 4s are 8 plus into minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 2 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus into minus 2 3s are 6 plus into plus 3 7s are 21 divided by 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Therefore p of x comma y is equal to 8 minus 3 plus 8 minus 3 is how much? Plus 5 divided by 5 minus 6 plus 21 minus 6 plus 21 is how much? Plus 15 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 3s are. Therefore coordinates of p are p coordinates x comma y is equal to how much? 1 comma 3 is how much? 1 comma 3. Therefore x value is how much? 1. Y value is 3. Therefore the coordinates of p are 1 comma 3. The coordinates of p are 1 comma 3. Okay, 1 comma 3. Now first problem is over. Then second one. Here again same concept. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates. Again find the coordinates means we have to find the value of x and y. Find the coordinates of the point of a trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Then one line segment is there. One line segment is there. That line segment will become how many parts? Trisection. Trisection means how many sections? 3 sections. 3 sections means how many parts? 1 2 3. 3 parts. 3 trisection. 3 parts. Then we have to find that trisection coordinate. Then we have to find the coordinates of that particular point. Okay. Total first 2 point. ಎರಡು part ಆಗಿ divide ಆದ್ರೆ how many point? 1 point. Okay. AB line segment ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 point ಇದ್ರೆ if AB line segment having 1 point means it will divide in how many parts? 2 parts. 1 point ಇದ್ರೆ 2 line segment ಆಗಿ divide ಆಗಿ 2 points 2 points. Then only it becomes 3 parts. Then only it becomes 3. ಎರಡು part ಆಗಿ only we need 1 point. For 3 sections 3 parts we need how many points? 2 points. Then we have to find the vertices of that point. We have to then find the coordinates of that particular 2 points. But how we can represent? First we should represent the situation diagrammatically. Same formula. Now this is the line segment. Sorry, you can take any variable, not only p, q, x, y, m and anything. Already m1, m2. Some textbook m1 instead of m1, m2, m and m is given, m and n is given. Instead of m1 raised to m2, m raised to n. Both are same. Confuse happened. So the line segment 4 comma. Then the b. What is the coordinates of b are -2 comma -3. It means it is considered as x1, y1 it is x2, y2. This line segment will become how many parts? 3 parts. If we have to do 3 parts means we need how many points? 2 points. Now it is considered as p. It is considered as q. Okay, it is considered as p. It is considered as q. Then how many parts become then? AP. First part PQ. Second part QB. Third part. AP, PQ and QB. After become 3 parts, after becoming 3 parts, then the ratio of AB is 1, 1, 1. Trisection is 3 equal parts. Trisection nothing but 3 equal parts. Trisection means PQ. PQ, the two points is here. We have to find the coordinate of this P and Q. Then AP, PQ and QB become how many sections? 3 sections. 3 sections means how many equal parts? 3 equal parts. Therefore, the length of AP is 1 unit. Length of PQ is how much? 1 unit. Length of the QB is how much? 1 unit. Then we have to find the coordinates of P and then we have to find the coordinates of Q. Okay. First, the coordinates of Q. How we can find coordinates of P? With the help of which formula? With the help of which formula? Same again, section formula. Now, P point Observe ಮಾಡಿ diagram. P point will divide AB line segment. Yes, divide. In what ratio? The distance of AB is 1. The distance of PB 1 plus 1 is how much? How much unit? 2 units. How much units? 2 units. Therefore, P will divide AB line segment in what ratio? 1 raised to 2. 1 raised to 2 means M1 value is 1, M2 value is 2. M1 value is 1, M2 value is 2. Then Q will divide in what? Q will divide AB in what ratio? Now P will divide a line segment in what ratio? 1 raised to 2. Then Q will divide a line segment what ratio? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 raised to 1. In what ratio? 2 raised to 1. P will divide 1 raised to 2. Q will divide 2 raised to 1. For both x1 and x2 both are same. But M1 and M2 will change. Okay? Now first P coordinates. P coordinates means M1 value is 1. M2 value is how much? 2. Because P will divide line segment in what ratio? 1 raised to 2. Then P coordinates as it is. Then what is the value of M1? M1 value is 1. X2 value is how much? Minus 2. Plus M2 value is 2. X1 value is how much? 4. Divided by M1 plus M2 means 1 plus 2. Then again what is the value of M1? 1 only. Y2 value is how much? Minus 3. Plus M2 value 2. Y1 value minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. M1 plus M2 means 1 plus 2. P coordinates x comma y is equal to plus into minus, minus 2 1 ja 2. Plus into plus, plus 2 4 ja 6. Divided by 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Plus into minus, minus 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8 divided by 3. Plus into minus, minus 3 1 ja 3. Plus into minus, minus 2 1 ja 2. Divided by 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Okay. Then P x comma y is equal to minus 2 plus 8. Minus 2 plus 8 is how much? 6 divided by 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is how much? Minus 3 minus 2 is how much? Minus 5 divided by 3. Then 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. Therefore coordinates of P x comma y is equal to how much? 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 2 and minus 5 by 3. Therefore the coordinates of P are 2 and minus 5 by 3. Means x value is 2, y value is minus 5 by 3, and y value is how much? Minus 5 by 3. Y value is minus 5 by 3. Then the P will divide AB line segment in 1 raised to 2. Okay, no problem. Then Q will divide line segment AB in what ratio? Then it becomes reverse. Then the distance of AB 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 units. Then QB is how much? 1 unit. Therefore M1 value is how much here? 2. M2 value is how much here? 1. Reverse side. Both x and y value both are same, but M1 and M2 value change. Okay, same formula, but the coordinates instead of P, then the coordinates of P instead of P it is Q. It is how much? Q. Only M1 and M2 value will change. Both are same. You know what textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Okay, M1 value is how much here? 2. X2 value is same. M2 value is 1. M1 value is 2. It is 1. M1 plus M2 means 2 plus 1. It is 2 plus 1. Okay. Then plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus 2 2s are 4. Plus into plus, plus 1 4s are 4. Divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6. Okay, plus into minus, minus 1 1 ja 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. Okay, minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. 0 by 3 is anything by 0 is 0, but anything by 0 is not defined. Okay, then minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. 0 by 3 nothing but 0. Minus 6 minus 1 is how much? Minus 7 by 3. Therefore the coordinates of Q are 0 comma minus 7 by 3. The coordinates of Q are minus 7 comma 3, 0 and minus 7 divided by 3. 0 and minus 7 by 3. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಾ. Now we have to find the coordinates of Q. It means Q will divide P will in what ratio? 1:1. In what ratio? 1:1. 1:1 means which it is considered it is midpoint. So that will same ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ try ಮಾಡೋಣ because we know two coordinates already. ಎರಡು coordinate ಕೂಡ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, just cross verification. What are the coordinates of P? Coordinates of P are 2 and minus 5/3 by 3. Try ಮಾಡಿ x1 y2 midpoint formula, because 1:1 means it is midpoint formula. Q x comma y is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Okay, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Okay, you cross verify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, both will come same answer. Okay, remaining problem will discuss in next class. Thank you.